Okay guys, so I want to show you what I'm making for my next drama, and this right here, as you see, will be a hospital. These are the doors to each hospital room, and what I did was just took a project board, cut it down, cut it in half, and then I added again white copy paper to cover the edges, white cardstock for the walls, and gray cardstock for the border of the hospital. I added some blue strips of cardstock for the doors. And the border, the gray border here, is 1.5 inches, and down below is a half an inch. No, an inch. So the doors is measured 3 inches by 11 inches. So, and I cut out some of this paper right here, which will be my window for my room door, and I'm going to add a little bead or what have you for the knob for this hospital, for each hospital room. And I want to take these stickers here and then add the numbers at the top of each door. And on the right side will be where the I'm sorry guys, where the nurses station is, and on the left will be room for vending machines. But the good thing about this, guys, is I'll be right back. I'm going to turn this around so you can see. Okay, like I said, guys, the good thing about this is I turned it around, and as you see, the border is different at the top. It's the blue, same blue on the door for the doors, and you got the gray bottom border as on the other side. And this, guys, will be where the hospital room will be. So if you can't get paper like this, guys, you can get some similar. Just check your local craft store and see if they have it for you. But I got mine a few years ago at Michael's when they was having their Christmas paper on sale on clearance. Okay guys, so as you see, I got the windows up and the room numbers on each door, and I also got the handles. And guys, what these are flat back pearls. I had them for a while. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know my tip of the day, and it was to for you to look through your craft area, through your craft room, to find hidden treasures. And this is one of the hidden treasures that I found, and I found that it would be a great doorknob for the hospital, so I added it there. So guys, it's really coming along great, guys. So this is it for right now. Even though it may look gold from the back, but as you can tell here, it's silver, and it has bits of ivory. Okay guys, so what you're going to need is two pieces of each cardboard in size 13 and a quarter inches long by 4 inches wide, and you'll need 2 pieces of this one at 13 and a quarter inches long and at 2 3/4 inches wide. So that'll be in total 4 cardboards that you need. Okay. After you have cut out your cardboard, you will make a indentation for the flap of the vending machine, and if you would like a little triangle rectangle here for the slide your money in to buy whatever you want in the vending machine. You would cut out a strip of cardboard, glue it together so it can be glued down here, so that you can place your little snacks in here as the dolls reach in to get their snack. I put the sides together, and I hot glued it together with the hot glue gun. Please be careful when you're using it. Okay, so I covered all the necessary parts with white copy paper and masking tape for the ones I couldn't really reach. And I'm just going to paint that so you won't see the cardboard color. And I used masking tape to cover the raw edges of the money slot. And this is what it looks like on the back. So you're don't worry about the inside, guys, because nobody will be able to see that. And so this is where your snacks will come out at, and the dolls can reach in, and it's the money slot. As you glue it on your top, you can add copy paper around the raw edges of your vending machine. This way, when you put your cardstock on, it'll be a more smoother finish than you would just put the cardstock on by itself. And so this is the and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this whole thing in black cardstock.